everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Peace. Well, today we are making a cake. For someone's birthday actually. So let's go. So right here we have half a cup of sugar. Then I'll add 3 eggs. Then I'll add in half a cup of cooking oil. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then I'll put in some lemon zest. Then I'll add in 2 cups of flour. I'll add in knead dough. Then I'll add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So I've added in some little water. So right now our batter is ready. It's time for transferring it into a pan, and then we bake it. So I'll put some little oil in our saucepan. Then I'll use a pepper. I have it here. Then I'll go ahead and add some flour. Then I'll go ahead and pour in our butter. Right now our cake is ready for baking. So right now our oven is ready. I'll just place our cake there.
Oven is ready.
And then I'll cover. So right now our cake has finished turning brown. On the downer side, it's time for changing the fire. So I'll put this iron sheet. And then we shall give it about 10 minutes and it will be ready. So our cake is ready. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yay! Yeah, agamiwaga kama hiyo.
Yeah. Wow. And I want.
Look at our cake. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.